Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm hoping to harvest the garlic that I planted back in October of 2023. It's July, it's the beginning of July, and I believe it's time to harvest. I'm located in Massachusetts, zone 6. I'm not sure A or B. And it's the beginning of July over here in Massachusetts. It's very hot and humid, and not as much fun being out here because I can't be out here for very long. This part of the garden, well, the garden gets a lot of sun for most of the day, and it's not until maybe 6 p.m. that I get enough shade to survive. Um, that I get enough shade to kind of like be able to do everything that I want to do without the sun really like pushing on me. So I'm gonna get started by showing you guys the garlic and giving you guys some background on how it's been doing. So this is the garlic. I'm not exactly sure what variety this is. As a friend from work, shout out Alan, was the one that gave me some of his clothes for me to plant for the first time. So I kind of haphazardly threw in some seeds, spaced them roughly a couple inches apart. Some of them are actually very close together. I very randomly just threw them here and watered them in that first time, and kind of left them alone. Um, Throughout the months. Hardly watered them a little bit in the beginning because they're next to my onions, and my onions need to be watered a good amount. So I did water them a little more frequently than I think is suggested to. And I cut off the scapes when it was time to cut off the scapes. Since then, I've had a couple of issues with rot. Um, I've pulled a couple of garlic prematurely just to see how everything is going. Or because I saw one that was like really yellow, all completely yellow compared to the other ones that were green. And those ended up like when I tried pulling them, completely like slimy. It's disgusting. It was stinking like really bad, and I'm not really sure what's going on. I feel like it might be something I have in my soil, but I'm not entirely sure. But a couple of days ago, I pulled a couple of them, like one or two, to see what was going on, and one of them was rotted, but then the other one came out, and let me just show you guys how it looks. So I harvested these maybe like a day or two ago, and look at the size of this. Look at that. Like, this one is so big. I was fully expecting it to come out either rotted or like a tiny bit, because people always say that depending on the stem, that's what's going to tell you how big the garlic is going to be. But this stem is skinny, and this is like a really big garlic. Like, can you guys tell? Put this here. So it's pretty skinny, but look at the size of this garlic. So that made me think like I'm gonna take the rest of these out, especially because like I said, I've been having a lot of like rotting issues, and it's gonna rain in a couple of days, and I don't want to keep these here. Surprisingly enough, a lot of YouTube channels say like, oh, you want a good portion of them to be like yellowy, but the one that came out the biggest, it was mostly green. I just took it out to see what was going on, and look at the size again. So I'm just gonna take that as a sign to pull the rest of them out, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Here, like I said, is where I have my garlic. This bed is basically half garlic, half onions. Um, like I said before, I don't really know what type of garlic this is, since it was given to me by a friend, and I actually have had like a lot of weed pressure with this bed. Unfortunately, I've tried pulling them out, but it's really hard because it's like constricted over here to keep continually like take things out. So the weeds kind of won in this in that way, but I'm hoping for the best. So let's just start off. I believe the garlic is over here, and we'll see what happens. So this is onions. That's all onions. Okay, I'm just gonna rip this out. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off and put it under, and let's see what we could get. So I think I planted them really deep, because some people I see, they like just pull at them, and I haven't had luck doing that. Look at that. Wow, that's so satisfying. Okay, let's see what else we can get. I'm gonna just try ripping these out now that I'm here. Get some of these weeds out. Have a lot of oh, there's a tomato here. Okay then, let's try this one. I'm also trying to avoid like cutting into the garlic, so I'm starting from here. You got it? Ooh! Okay. Just gonna tap. That's not bad.
Someone love taps?
Yeah, some love taps.
Yeah.
Go over here.
Scope the scenery out real quick.
You pero enfócate aquí.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Woo! Oh my God! You see they're skinny and then they come out mad big.
Yeah.
What?
They thick.
Hey, yo, okay.
Let me see.
And this one, like it was short. Like you can, it's short. It's green. Like I wasn't. I actually was expecting nothing from that. And look at that.
Wow.
It's bigger than the other two I just pulled out, which have thicker stems. Makes no sense. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, this one has a thick stem. Let's see. So I'm gonna start over here just in case. Ooh, okay.
Wow. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Would you look at that?
That's a good one. What you think?
Oh, it's nice.
Nice. See, but that one has a big stem. I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
That's so cool. You're gonna harvest all of them?
Ooh, look at this one.
Wow.
Nice. Oh. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, I'm gonna rip this out.
What happened to this one? Came out the form?
Onions?
No.
Yeah, because I planted some a mixture of onions here too. I'm just gonna take them out because I was not doing that well anyway. Okay. There's one here. Ooh. Ooh wee. Oh no.
Dang.
I just dug into it by accident.
They're delicate. It's a nice like collection of garlic right here.
I'm thinking next year I definitely want to like be more intentional with how I'm growing it.
But it's like you got like a whole habitat out here. Bro. Like look at this. I'm getting the close-up shot. This is like a jungle scene.
Ooh, that's so good.
It smells a lot like garlic too.
Yeah. Look at that.
Dang,
look at that.
He's big.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That's insane. But next year, I'm going to be a lot more intentional and I think I'm going to grow a lot more. Like I'm going to buy like specific types that are big.
Yeah.
And I'm going to dedicate like a whole bed to them next time around because they're so easy to grow.
Right.
And I love garlic. They're all coming out a really good size actually.
Yeah. Came out nice and healthy.
I was so worried because I had literally like 5 of them. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna break the shovel.
Oh. Popped him out. Hey, over here.
That one isn't even a big one for it to be giving me that many problems.
I know, but they're roots.
Yeah.
Them roots be rooting.
Yeah, they're serious. Something serious. Ooh. Oh, this one's good. This is a good size. Wow. There's some over here.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. At this point, I feel like the skinny ones are the ones that come out good.
Yeah.
I can't believe there's a whole tomato growing back here.
Look at that.
Because I didn't plant it. Huh?
Where?
Right here.
It's a tomato?
Yeah, that's a tomato. Okay. Let's go. This is a workout. Ay, Dios mío. I hope I didn't. Oh, okay. I thought
you punctured it?
Yeah. Okay, no, it's good. Okay. Look at this sad little onion. So sad. You want to go to the other side since this? Oh wait, there's one over here. Oh, it smells like garlic so nicely.
Makes me hungry. This is more like a garlic pizza.
Ooh. Nice. Yes, sir.
It's a whole lot of garlic right there.
I know, right? And that's only a couple. There's people that I know that grow like 150. Like Alan from work, the ones who gave me this garlic, he grows like 250 garlics.
Wow.
Every year.
It's a lot of garlics.
Okay. This one out of here. Oh. Okay. Let's try for this one. Oh, I feel like the shovel's gonna bend at some point. I can feel it bending on the inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Am I tripping?
No.
Oh my gosh. Hey yo. I got some mint growing in here. Okay. Oh, you smell that? It smells so good. Like mint. Minty fresh.
The Mintianos.
Oh. Wow. These are all like pretty decent size. I think. Considering it's my first time growing it. And I didn't really try. You know how satisfying it is to hear the rip of like the roots?
Yeah. I bet it's like, ooh.
Yeah. It's like those videos that are like satisfying.
It's like a
sounds.
satisfying ASMR.
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad. I'm gonna grow like carrots in here next.
Okay. Wait, did you do carrots before?
I did, but it didn't work out for me. Okay, a couple more. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god.
It's jumbo.
Hey yo. What?
It's literally jumbo right there.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta name all of them.
Lisa, Cindy.
Shakira.
You want to try taking them out and I'll record you?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember, try to keep it a little bit away from the thing.
Yeah, like an inch away.
Yeah.
So
and lift. Ooh. Yep. Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
That's a good one.
Wow. Yeah, they look good. This one's huge.
Oh my god, that was really big.
It does feel like it's bending.
Yeah, the inside, right?
Wow.
Nice. Ooh.
Want some water?
Hey, that's a good one too. Look at that size.
Wow.
That's perfect. Wow! That's amazing. I'm really happy about it.
Look at that.
It feels like a success.
It looks like a success. I'm gonna give it a stack.
Yay. I was really questioning what was gonna happen. I thought they were all gonna die on me. But
and actually they all thrived on you.
Yeah. Gloria a Dios.
We're at.
Get some of this stuff out. That's so exciting.
Yep.
Okay, so finally we were able to dig out all of the garlic that was here, and it was a lot more than I thought I planned, but it came out really good. I'm really excited about it. Now I just have to take out all these weeds out of here and think about what I'm gonna plant here so it's not empty. But I think it was a pretty successful garlic harvest. Let me show you guys. Try to pick it up.
Wow.
So I'm pretty happy with it.
You look
It
like you
looks
just caught a
really good.
fish. You know those pictures of people catch a fish?
Yeah. Yeah, so that I actually, like, 5 of them died on me. So
Wow.
yeah, this is amazing. You want to put a close-up on it?
Close-up pictures.
On the garlic? Yep.
Yep, let me see that. Wow.
Okay, so next up on my list of things I want to harvest, these are some potatoes that I planted a couple of months ago. This one's looking really sad, so I kind of just want to harvest it and see how it's doing. They were all planted at the same time, but I think this is going to give me kind of a look on maybe how the other 2 are doing, possibly. I just came in and these were suddenly all floppy and stuff like that, so I kind of want to harvest it out just to make sure they're not rotting in there. And let's see. First time growing some potatoes, so I'm really excited. I hope I did it right. They're supposed to be pretty simple. So I'm just going to start off by cutting off these leaves. Look, the potato! Okay, guys, I think that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for coming along with me in my garlic harvest, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or thoughts down below. Give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. I want to keep these here. Okay. Stop eating them cherry seeds, girl.